Hello, bacha log. How are you? Today I'm very much happy. I'm very much happy, and there is a big good news. Yes, people. Yes, people. Bacha log. Listen to me. Listen to me. See, now I have got big opportunity because many of the companies, many of the upcoming new but famous brand, they started approaching me. They told me to do that brand endorsement. ENDORSMNT endorsement. So they have asked me to do the brand endorsement, and I'll be doing for them. And this is how I do. Okay, now listen to me. This is very serious, huh? Okay, so bacha log, whatever I have given you and whatever you have borrowed from me, now this is the time that you have to pay me back. You have to give me back. So giving me back, what that is called in Hindi? Lota. So that is the brand now. Lota. I know you didn't see that coming. Huh? I'm clever. Okay, bacha log. Now the thing is, पहले कैसा है ना कि we used to do that. But अभी का situation ऐसा है कि everyone can do that. Because everyone is sitting at home. Okay, so there will be no partiality. No partiality will be there. Huh? So now I'll tell you how to do it. Take your left hand, take your right hand, and start clapping. And say with me, God help us, God save us, God guide us. So we have to come together. We all good people have to come together for this work. Now this is called satsang brand. Satsang, right? Because we all have to sit together, so we sat. And we started singing, so that is sang. So sang. So easy. And you know what? Now we don't have to sit together like that, but we'll be coming all together through that Zoom app online. So we'll be doing online all the bhajans and song and everything we'll be doing all together. Okay, now there is another situation. Okay, so I know many of you people facing this problem and all. Okay, so now you people want to go out. Okay, but no one is allowing you to go out because there is so much of restrictions. But in frustration, you just want to go out. Okay, but still they're saying you're not supposed to go out. You're supposed to stay inside. Right? They will shout at you, but then you will get angry on that. You will get angry on that, and then you will start shouting on that. And the security guard, he might stop you. That, sir, you don't go. Sir, you don't go. You're aged, sir. At this age, it will catch you easily. At this age, it's possible. But you shout at him, Colgate. And that is the brand. Colgate. And that is why your teeth is displayed. Colgate. Okay, bacha log. Now I'm going to introduce you to fruits and nuts. Okay, so all fruits and nuts are together now, and but the situation is some are dry and some are crunchy. Some are dry and some are crunchy. So now you have to decide what you will buy. What you will buy. क्या लोगे? See, there is a point. क्या लोगे? So this is the brand. क्या लोगे? हाँ, बच्चा लोग. Now the thing is, here there is a similar thing going on. This guy is selling. Okay, this guy is selling to you, but he's having the different segment. He's having different segment, but he's selling to you. Okay, and you know what he's doing? His timings are very much fixed. So he'll be there available for you from 9 a.m. to max 12 p.m. हाँ, मतलब उनको भगाया नहीं, मारा नहीं, तो वो लोग 12 बजे तक भी रहते हैं. धंधा होना चाहिए, right? So he'll be selling all the fresh items. All the fresh items he'll be selling. I know some of the bachcha log have guessed the brand. I know. Sabji wala. Yeah, it's Sabji wala. So Sabji wala is the brand now. Okay, so now after bringing that sabji, they said that eat fresh. But even if it's fresh, you have to take that thing home. You have to wash it properly and properly. 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 So you have to bring that sabji to your home. You have to wash that and then cut and then cook and then eat. So even if they are saying that sabji wala eat fresh, you don't have to eat like that only. Even if it's fresh, you have to cook and then you have to eat. Now, bacha log, I am going to tell you because this is very much a crucial thing. Okay. So what you do, in this, you get down from your building, you start walking secretly that no one should look at you. Okay, so you secretly walk and then you get outside of your gate. Okay, you don't make any noise. Quietly you get out of your gate. So no one tells you to get out, but you yourself get out. Get out of your gate. Okay, so after getting out of the gate, you started walking. Slowly, you increase your speed because you are happy somewhere that मैं बाहर आ गया, मैं बाहर आ गया, देखो मैं कैसे बाहर आ गया, तुम लोग कैसा अंदर है. So with this, all this emotion, with the happiness, you start dancing and all, and suddenly you get hit by cop. And in your defense, you tell the cop that I am going outside. This is the time because I know at night you are not allowed to go out. It's curfew, but at daytime you can go. So it's afternoon, I can go out. You can tell him directly. But when I told him that, you know what he said? No afternoon, only कानून. You can't. So this is the brand, कानून. You can't. Okay, bacha log. But you know what? Promoting this brand is very painful. They might hit you. They might hit you. They might hit you. And that's how you will be caught and it will be remembered. Okay, bacha. Bye. God bless. Bye.